That's just the truth. Malake Monica. Destroying so me I feel where imagine. Mama on the Lolo, Mama on the Monica.
Ogwe mana no kolina yakawe yakawijwe yakawe ebonu tie no sevegbe imana so oku o Facebook uwe we bogbi mebo agbu ogbujo wawe mana we no koli jona ogun ba agbu o ope kamale no si ye Facebook oga imo si okura re Facebook ebonu tie no ogome na ime ogun ba agbu o mana no kolina wa lo sege yo ememe aya ogwa bi okwo na no re live video na ememe ohia ya ogwa o imemi ni wa wa we ni opa ka ju ala ewere ememe ohia ya ewe okwo na ya ekola na ogun gboluwa be ni wa ya ti ko wa we nwi no pa ka ju ala ewere emi kere o uwa sun we mana o uwe ki asun we de ne we ro wa mana imame mi ni we ya kawe ebonu ti no so egbe ime kawe o imanu wa ti ebo me ogun ogbu o asun gwede ne borogwa zaga la we gbe o imana wa gbogwa imate onire wa gbogwa iyaro toto ebonu wa ti no gbe me inaro toto ugwa ki aju ugwa vie wa yu ugwa safeke ogun ba gbofo na o okwela na we ere Italy na imame mi nu we today is not the first time, not the second time ugwaru a live video out of hatred ogun ba agbo okwo na ogun ba ki agbo wa yu we sekwe viekwe imi man wa yu we man no call you wa yu we viekwe imi ni biedo biedo atana maybe do at Facebook na uwa deva wa when wa ya kwekona uwa ya salogu wona paka agboku na ni mere gbu e o iwi no paka gbu e ite we some people who are gogwa no worry uso gbu e mana uso agbe mana no calling oro wi je ore bi egbe no kere wa gwogwa wa sun wo ko na o wa sun wo ko na o imagine ni we o ugwari emeri la video for 100 times ina we one we ina we show love jawe ugwe eme we me egwe na ewere ogun ba agbo oko na zaga aloko na gbe o uwa o ebona wonya awe nekwe mu awe ye bubu the platform wa no ki lebo awe nekwe mu no hia yo wa ba yo my people now see this wahala wey dey go so you say this woman when I put a picture so it don't take go cost me more than 5 times. This woman don't come outside, he go insult me. I know the minor. I even show her love. He said na me they cause problem. Now I try to call her and say, madam, wetin me do you? Everybody they do live video. Me do. You go say na me they cause lot of fight with them. Okay, the time when they cause me, who cause her? Now you cause her then. The time when these 2 people they cause me, who cause her? Don't not see you like be. They will not pack I see you like be no you na la like be. Abe ne kwemu. Abe fa na motien. They not back as you like baby. Issue. Man, I see all these hypocrites. Una want you shit, one and shit for Facebook, they rob me. Ije me o wakokona na o ana. You want use the shit when your people shit they rob me. In me the nisi you agbe. Like an I day under. The ayare under the kwemu. This woman will just they use the talk for Italy. It now law I go take follow you. This woman, you are very stupid. I try to respect you. You when back there many guests come. You and my mother not be friend. No good boy. You and my mother not be friend. I try to look this woman and say this one my mother friend those days. I said me I not mind her. Me I not talk to her. I just dey leave one. I just dey leave one. You know, if they find who he wanted popular, eh? You are very stupid. How could you be on the platform say imoroto tiyan ebia ball la we gbe ya arototo ene boniti na no gbe irototo o ekwe muwa ebo gbuwa ben wa ya sikoko ni we mo peka edu na ewere e mo peka go kill na heads useless woman like you me go dem opeka so they are block am for everywhere. Now lie go open fake kaka. Opeka retete. E mo peka ogbu e. Olo sigi, old winch. Eh? Wagen no. Ekwe mu gwa ni agwa una don shit for church. Facebook una gbon ya o. Na this woman carry for your peka or na ikosan. Opeka na ikosan. Where ya see you egbe? Imagine you na me give them mat they talk atata toto. Hey me o. Me ya no sunu na me give them mat. As they cause na me say they see they cost me. Only because me not sabi the road one I know. All those juju.com. Juju.com. Now you want me to follow? No, na opeka na gwe ya re bebo gwe na nia. We are mammy. Whether na fake name you tell open Facebook. You and your picture. Ina re bebo gwe we are glaro toto in a bugby me. Ina ro toto when we ye me ya gwale fans. O sege all lawe gboko na. Zaga lawe be. Awe de kwe mu instead of you to advise them, put peace there, let peace reign. Ujari opeka be. Opeka is the generation of the cause. Walao, if you ever man, if 3 people they quarrel, I been 5 people they quarrel. Una forget say these 2 people they fair insult me, tell me nonsense. Yo. I tell them they tell me. But not be that one I will come they follow. Very useless woman. Fight where they ground. You never feel conscious. Yella la go stop for Facebook. In we know be some we know be some bo hun. Ku work a color ni. In we know be some bo hun ba son bo hun ba van. U make time be na yella la in Facebook na pu before other people go bring because me know say more juju is coming. I work back. They not back is you egbe. Okona. We not back as you egbe. You are a disgrace to Benin people. Oh yes. This woman is a disgrace to Benin people. This woman number na +39 34 77 11 33 51. Wagumeti wa no mi no sunu. Wagumeti okona wa no eve mi awe. He don't use me. This is the making 5th time. I know the queen answer person. This woman when I follow you, you'll be Gabali. You'll be Dagon. You'll be Dahun. You dey hear me? Very useless thing. Ima you ni aya ase ko ni ase be Facebook. No be abona la we gbe. Ma, why me if you do me, if you san me, why me you san me live video pe how do ati e bo gba, ogun ogba. E do pa we na me ya sa lo gbogbo. Guy be na kan grip pass guy. Una tia. No yeah. Mugwenagu emana na no guna. Una desia. Emana yo biegbe. Emana kiyekie yo. Emana yin wa kiyekie yo. Bi mi e wa e. E won pa ko ri ba. E won pa ka mana gbo. E won pa ka me no see like live video ni ha. Hey, even what oh man what say we no gu. Oh ma gu. Una be say make me die. I cannot die. He say make I die. Una go die my die. He say make I cry. Una go cry my cry. It is over in the name of Jesus. Anything I plan against the back, I will return back to you people. If I fair do now, no problem. But if I not fair do, back to now one by one. One polo. Who wa guy. A woman who we are view, I come for you. We are view. Very useless man and hopeless woman at the same time. Very useless woman and hopeless man at the same time. This kokobiri man, woman, when we say all the guests will bring come Italy up, oh, you not make come, has he not get nothing we get, nothing to read about this idiot woman, nothing to write about this stupid woman one they see for live video so, nothing to write about. Kokobiri, oh ye go le kayu we been wa me na. Okwala ni me gwa ri ba na ye gwo oh ye valo you see. Very useless thing. Oh, we am a bug begin. Wa gwa. Ijo. Had them my old JJ. Oh, what we message to a packer. This is making 4th time. This woman gonna follow you now. I was thinking I have to give you respect. Hence, you don't need that respect as my madam friend those days. Yeah, lele webo yo gon gbu. Oh, gbu ge wa we. Imagine new way. Wa zaga. Facebook quench, no one quench. A pack. You say that, you know. Then issue you work, but why you know toto. Now, Mr. Mona, they use una match up even Wama near the Facebook. Even Wama, no rich person ask, why were you Wami? Must say you work there. You not see person sleep with man, you say sleep with man. Oh, he may confirm me. It's a confirmed legacy. On a metana where he did there where they go carry juju come. Now he make me they talk true. You dey hear me? Una not talk true na juju agbuwa la ni ogogwa ya. Gwa no to. No, na won't my own live video because they cost me. People they cost me. What I do now? This woman not for do one live video. I tried to call and say, what do you mean? You don't want yet. You understand? You know, for the online video, they insult me, say, because then I mean one piece for Facebook. Oh, go on, where do I want me now? Now you go kill the heads. Okay, we don't care no why I say this woman old rich so. He never reach where he go put peace. May put peace for Facebook. If this woman now so quarrel, they come quarrel with me. I never see say one day in on live video say okay, hey Monica where Lola where oh not where on my way there. Eni e wa kawala dona mo bog be Monica. Eh me e bog para ma tene Monica. Ina wa ba mi ona ofo no oko dana. O be pa ba ni de, o be da egbe lolo. O mo bog be lolo. Egbe me no. Ya wo nu e woman na. Ogun ogbu e. I resemble your toothstick. I resemble your pikin. I resemble them for your eye. Maybe I bona la wegbe. Who got with Facebook? Yeah, way. I go dey wonder what I do this woman. Why you wanna go? Boy, then what? But the Naduza. Even no mama where. Nani e kwere me ade beg you when you jam bog buwe even we tana ya obobo ya ogwo ete bog buwe me na ya mene na yela ni chiegwe etwe agu useless people. Thank God I'm not like you guys that bust with juju, family of juju, rubbish. I mean Zebi. I don't live and say this one they won't use me get viewer. Now me they take get viewer. Well, I ready me hardware. I ready me hardware. Would you they feel me? They honor make me the honor. I beg my people, regardez, Mona, I want of this one, Mona go there, go insult that woman. Mona go that woman platform, regardez. Let me off my own. All of you go there and tell the, it won't give you, alright? More all of you go there and see the name there. Make you go there and regardez this woman. The woman never say anything, no. You are stupid. Come on. Oh, what relate video no quarrel, no quarrel. I be a car of you. Yeah, immediate way. Or give me every day I will be using your picture to do caricature. If I'm going to work, if I'm coming back, that you go beg me. If you about that way, be. Oh, rubbish. I bet my people, not all these people, here never be a bene. And here I see lo back be and gualo, but here me say back be. Oh, man, no, oh, Maria, bog give me. Me now even me or na wrong even ya o ma imana ka gboru no sekenu je ije besa me amugbuwa en wa je na e bonore bu me o mi aya gwo wa hun wa zaga the number na the woman number may I put down there. The woman na +39 34 77 11 33 51. You dey hear me? Mona way I go write down now. Now with the says useless woman, very stupid woman. Idiot, mama, my area no buy in Wabege 39 mama ni way. E no buy no agwa Italioji. E torino ka yona we do pake ari ore pake o pake.
Hello.
Yeah, oh. They jealous me. I'm not gonna dance a girl. But say Nata, if you some why not go talk me the task? If you love your people, tell your people not to do what is bringing shame.
Okay, go on there. When we be a cagua, when you are Hunania.
Uncle where then a doza. Oh, where Mudia, Uncle where then went. Where worry? Regarding my people, wanna go there. You know, but I don't put on there. This woman, you go hear me from my hands. When we are of your man, it is sweet some people. Some people even in my car do berane. Again, in my nada la a Facebook a banana mawato. In my hair, in my god, do I war of your man on a warrior in ma. Been a warrior in now. If they insult me, this woman love one so much, he's using it to swallow. He says Asian people naked that can't take and why I not use and do live video. If you don't like what Asian people do, deal with them. Tell them why they naked themselves. But you they cover for your people because very foolish woman. Also, if you know the fear, why this woman carry your face, come and face me. Face me like this. The man has your boy you only sonic pole where a sankere. If you are bomb bear. My people, this woman an idiot. You know? Very stupid woman. They go use Oibo ne open platform. Only any nera moonware. You know say that my real name they use? If you are bug boy. I bet my people are the cook. You know when I finish, I'm coming back. Oh. Now the name for Facebook be that, yes. Now foolish people. Now the name be this for Facebook. The woman is very stupid. What have I done to you? Okay, yeah, my back be maybe platform. Who are go? Oh, I just like we have to worry. They no good boy. Uzua. If they found Asian people where go join their queue. Oh God. This woman they find Asian where go join you. They are all useless queue. They are queue. You know, queue of Ayelala. That's queue. They are queue of their rubbish. I bet my people. Later, Joe. Okay. I will enter house, okay? This one say enter house. I don't enter house, okay? I enter my house, so now my house I do. I bet I can't do my evening makeup. Okay, hey. English galon. Now God go punish him. God go help me punish this woman. God, see now one by one. If me do bad, let God still disgrace me the way they disgrace them so. Oh, why me even? Why me even? Wana o ave ne kwem ave yela la product. They find Asian woman when they want to join her. Eh? That woman, he just come out. Anybody will just come out there. He yeki ema. Who wa ke platform? Who nem no? Okeka. Eriot not pare la dia. End of the day, they are bringing bad thing. Okay, now me no fit settle them. You understand? So, I not define anybody who won't join me. I block you. You are mad. Hey, Abisha, I not go join you. I block you. Who say me can't join me? You won't boy. You must say where you frustration you get. Oh, yeah. Eh, my people. I bet evening makeup today. Eh, evening makeup. They say peace no day Facebook. This. Joy. Yes, this woman a very evil woman, man. You know they say market no get what he do. Oh well, I love you. Oh boy, oh shaggy. I bet my people are the cool. Ogun don't kill her already. This woman. Ogun Bene. You don't craze already. This woman. Una bye. Mona go concern for a platform. I bet Mona go a platform. Go help me give her the way. And they watch you now. Mona go there. Go give her the way. We go let her take sleep. When you know they read comments. Why you bug bewa?